Oh, y'all, he going back in the water. He just went back in there. Oh my God, look at this thing was in my yard. Oh my God, y'all. Oh, he came over here to get some sun, but I was cold. I was about to walk out there up on that thing to try to figure out what it was. I thought it was a snake. I thought it was a net. And that thing is a whole big behind alligator. Let me zoom in on his head. Oh my God. I was straight about to walk out there. What is going on? First, I see a bird swallowing a snake. Another bird swallowed a fish. I ain't post that yet. Now the alligator. No, then I saw a snake this morning. And now alligator this morning. Like, what is going on?